So here's the thing. I love geography. I've always loved geography. You know, I got 60 correct answers out of 60 on the test on Egypt's geography back in the 5th grade. So, you know, but in this video, we're going to take a look at Sweden's geography, and I'm going to dive into Geoguessr and see if I can locate myself basically anywhere in Sweden where the pin drops. So I'm a little nervous about this. It usually goes well, but sometimes, you know, you get dropped at a, you know, at a little tiny mud road out in nowhere, and you're like, okay. So we're gonna see how well I do, and if you're watching this and if you're familiar with the geography of Sweden, let me know in the comments, like, did you get it before I did? Or were you like, or have you been to any of the places that I'm going to? I don't know where I'm going because we haven't started yet. So let's dive into it. Let's see how much I know about the geography of Sweden. Oi! My name is not Sven, it is Martin, yeah. Alright, here we go. We're gonna play Sweden. Start a game, single player. Let's see where we end up. Alright, this is a road. There are no... Oh, I like it when there's a sign. Let's see, what does it say? It says Bollnäs Ljusdal, which means we are... Let's zoom in. We are somewhere... There we go, Bollnäs. And Ljusdal is there. Okay, so... oh, wait. One is one way and the other is the other way, so it's some, and we also have Nianfors iced tea. Weird. Okay, so we're somewhere in between here. Let's see. If there's Eastay, okay, 8 kilometers away. So the question is, where are we here? I guess if there's water. Let's see, zoom out, zoom out. I don't see any water though. Valstad, okay, let's go back. Valstad, okay, that's Valstad. Industrial area, then we should be here. Nianfors. Alright, I'm just gonna put it right there and hopefully it turns out well. 37 meters, damn! That's a good start. Alright, 4,999 points, like 1 point away. Okay, play next round. Let's see. We are in a suburban area. It's always fun when you end up like out in Suburbia where you just can't find your way out. Okay, I'm gonna go back because I need to know where I was. Is there... there's no street. Let's see. Okay, we are a couple of houses in. Here we go. What does it say? It says... zoom in. Yttersvängen, the outer turn. Okay. Let's go out and see if we can get ourselves back out to a bigger Yttersvängen again. Okay, here we get out of this Yttersvängen. Okay. Okay, let's turn right because we need to remember where we were. And the way we were. Okay, there's a bus stop. Sometimes you get a little clue there. What is that? Karlstad bus. Okay, we are in the area of Karlstad. Bus number 4. Okay, that means that we can zoom in. Valstad is on the tip of the biggest lake. Let's see here. Okay, so this is Valstad. But where are we? Let's see if we can find... There was a sign there. Maybe not. Okay, where are we? We're not downtown. Exactly. I've never actually been to Valstad aside from, you know, been on a bus, you know, going in and out. This is super suburbia. Where are we? Man. I mean, I can't just walk around forever. I need to, at some point, make a decision of where I want to be in the world. 13. What is... Let's see. Does it say anything there? Smoking, not okay. Where are... Oh, I can't see anything there. Okay. Okay, here's a bigger road. Let's see if we can... I need a sign. Just give me a sign. Feels like I'm going in circles. There's that bus again. Let's see. Okay. Okay, the center of the city is to the right. That's good. That gives us some kind of... And then suddenly it's like, whoa, snowy. Okay, so this is a bigger road. I wonder if we are... Where are we? Could we be in... Ah, wait. I'm just gonna... Oh, that doesn't look like Suburbia. Just see if I can find that outer turn. That could be anywhere. Finnbacka. Could we be here? All right, I'm just gonna place it here, and then we just hope that it's somewhere close because we can't be there forever. Okay, let's see. We are 2.1 kilometers. Okay, so we were closer to the city than I thought. 4,900. That's still pretty good. Okay, country roads, take me somewhere. This will not be 37 meters from the place. This is the thing where you're just like, it's okay. There's a sign. There's like a highway, and you just have no idea. What you're looking for is Lampisenpää. Okay, we are definitely close to the Finnish border, because that is the name of a place that has a Finnish name. Lampisenpää. That could be a really... Oh, look at that! Look, Lampisenpää. Okay, so we just entered Lampisenpää. Okay, where does that begin? Where does that begin? Lampisenpää. Let's see if we can get a clue if we're north or south. Oh, this is not a big place. All right, I'm gonna be quick on this one, and I'm just gonna guess that we are on the northern side. I'll just gonna put it there, see what happens. 571 meters. That's pretty good. That is pretty good. All right, we are in a city. Oh, look at this, Ystad and Lund. This should not be all too difficult, because this is like the state where I grew up. I do want to see where I am right now so that I can have a marker. Okay, so this big road, and I'm just gonna see if I can figure out the name of the street. Why are there no street signs? Hello. Okay, there's a sign on the other side. Let's see what that says. Okay, so that goes towards Ystad, and that goes towards Travemünde. Okay, so number 9. Okay, so country road number 9, which is like in the very south here. Here we go. So one goes to Ystad and one goes to Malmö. E6. Oh, I wonder if we're down here. E6, yeah. I wonder if we're down here somewhere. Ystad to the left. Oh yeah, because the sea is out there. So we're somewhere here. Let's see what happens. Oh, there's a sign there. Oh, sorry. Let's see what this sign says. Wait. Ystad. Okay, so we're close to Ystad. Now I'm getting confused here. Where are we? Hospital. Okay, the hospital. I mean, they aren't everywhere. And there's the hospital there. There on the right. Center. I really want to get this one. But the weird thing is 108, right? So Country Road 108, where is that? Where is Country Road 10? That's there. Ah, okay, we're in Trelleborg. We are in Trelleborg. We're not in Ystad. Okay. I guess we're somewhere here now? Or are we on this side? Oh man, this... Okay, I guess this is the hospital area, so I'm gonna... Let's see, this... Oh yeah, you can see the palm trees. Of course it's Trelleborg. Hello. Everyone knows that. Okay, I'm gonna skip over here just to see what that sign says. Okay, so this sign says to the left are the ferries, so we're on this side somewhere. Okay, I'm good. Okay, I'm gonna put it right there. Let's see what happens. 185 meters. That's good. That is very good. I guess this is the final round. I have a pretty good score. I'm only down by 91 points from like maximum, but I don't like the look of this. Okay, I'm next to this white gate. Let's let's remember that. Okay, looking for signs. Okay, Lin. Is that Linköping? I'm looking at the bus sign there. No, I think that's Länstrafiken Norrland. So the state traffic in northern land. And also, if you look at the houses, definitely we're not super south. But we need signs. We need signs. I have a good score coming up. Man, where are we? Is that a sign? No. Where are all the signs? I saw no signs, and it opened up a bad score for Martin. That's me, trying to guess where I am. Okay, we're just gonna have to travel down this road and see where we are. There's another bar. Oh, here's. I think I saw a sign there. Did I? Back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up. Skjulnäs. Where? Piteå. Okay, we are 17 kilometers from Piteå. At least then we can ring in somewhat. Where did Piteå go? You have to remember. Oh, there we go. Piteå. Okay, so we're 17. Little Piteå. Näsudden and Skjulnäs. Okay, there's Skjulnäs. Okay, and then we just need to find Näsudden. Näsudden, which I guess would be somewhere around this lake. We're 1 kilometers from Näsudden. Where is Näsudden? Hello. Svalfors. Näsudden. It might be like a super small place, but it should be somewhere around water because of the name. And 5 kilometers to Skjulnäs, so all right. It seemed like a pretty straight road, so maybe I just Kilberget. Okay, I'm just gonna put it there and just we'll see what happens. Boom. 8.6 kilometers. Okay. Pretty good. The summary is that I get 24,641 points, which I think is the highest I've ever gotten. I've played this only like a couple of times. But yeah, that was me playing Geoguessr Sweden Geography. It did pretty well. I mean, really well. I'm humble and stuff. But that last one was a little tricky. But the other one, there were strong indicators of where we're gonna be. Do you guys play Geoguessr? I got an account there, and I play obviously the daily challenge, which is like, okay, you're somewhere in a place where they speak either Spanish or Portuguese, or a version of that, and you're like, yeah, that's a lot of countries. And I also play the Streaks game, where you're supposed to guess which country you're in, and my record right now is 7 countries in a row. Yeah. Alright, well, thank you so much for watching this video about me playing Geoguessr Sweden Geography. Have a good day. And this is where we get to the fun part. Okay, so in order for you to prove yourself that you watched the entire video through, post down in the comments a means of transportation which isn't a car. A means of transportation that isn't a car that you kind of put somewhere in a comment, and I'll check to see if you stayed the whole way through. All right, see you next time. Bye.